Hey guys, I'm Tom.
I'm Vickie.
We're with the Carolina Travel Channel on this cool Saturday day. We're at American Roadhouse here in Asheboro, North Carolina. We're back here. You know, had a few people say we need to stop in here, so we figured we was driving by. Let's just stop in here and check it out, right?
That's right.
So, where'd the cold come from? Get it back to the 70s and 80s, or 70s. I'll stick with 70s. It ain't hoots. Let's go. Do what? Art? AR. American Roadhouse. How was yours?
Good, really good.
And she got baby flounder, right? And whitefish. I got whitefish, baby flounder, shrimp, oysters, scallops. It's a mixture with a sweet potato. That was pretty daggone tasty. I'm telling you, pretty good. I tell you what, our waiter was absolutely incredible. Super good young kid. Like every 2 seconds he was coming by checking on us, making sure our drinks are full and just to see if we need anything. And super good. Everybody gets that fun. The food was great. You seen how much I got. That's just crazy. Well, guys, we just left American Roadhouse here in Asheboro, North Carolina, and we appreciate the invite. I mean, this place was great. You got so much fish. You seen it. It was stacked, you know, kind of high, and food was really good. I mean, yours was good too.
Mine
right?
was
She
good,
said
yeah.
she was really good. She got the baby flounder. I almost said baby back flounder. Is that such a thing? I don't know, but. Tons of people in there come up and they knew who he was and come up and said hi. I love it when you guys come up and say hi. I mean, that makes it special right there. But thanks a bunch for inviting us. We loved it. And we about got it done here. I don't know if we got, I think we got one more, maybe 2 more restaurants in Asheville to do. So we'll slide back by and do those when we can. But thanks for watching, everybody.
Thank you.
Let's go that way.